Hi, I'm Carly Horlacher, Sales Representative here at Inpro. And today I'll be showing you the differences between our standard and custom shower bases. To kick this off, let's talk about what they have in common. We manufacture what we sell, which means we oversee the entire process to ensure a job well done. From early design stages, manufacturing, and all the way through installation, we have a team of product experts ready to help. All of our bases are made from our BioPrism solid surface, which is non-porous to uphold the highest standards in hygiene and is easy to maintain. Now for the differences. Let's start with our standard shower base. These are cast one-piece products with a set drain location, which makes them more cost-effective. They come in set sizes, which is ideal for new construction or major renovation projects, where you can dictate plumbing. Our standard shower bases have a textured non-slip surface and water channels that accelerate water flow into the drain. The double water barrier is an additional layer that is on the outside of the shower base that creates a flange for the wall panel to sit on. This will save time on installation. Now let's talk about our custom shower bases. Custom bases allow you to move the drain location and dictate the size and shape up to 60 inches wide by 72 inches deep. Customization is ideal if you have to match an existing plumbing system.
One of the ways you can customize your base is to choose the barrier at the entrance of the shower, called a threshold.
Unlike our standard shower bases that all come with the double water barrier, the custom shower base comes with a choice of a single or double. The double water barrier still provides you with a flange to install your surrounding walls. The single water barrier requires a little more work in the field. You'll need to trim the walls to ensure a tight fit around the threshold and to accommodate the slope of the shower base. We hope this information helps guide you as you kick off your next shower project. For more information on our washroom systems, contact your Inpro representative or visit inpro.com.